In order to understand where your data comes from, your data should pass through a data quality program. A data quality program has three main components. First one is accountability for those who generate the data. Then it has in place input controls. And finally, has the ability to find and remove errors within the data. Once that you have assessed that your data indeed comes from a data quality program, then you should look at the metrics that describe the quality of the data. If you have quality metrics that describe how good your data is, there's no reason to look for a second opinion or a third opinion in order to qualify that data. Those metrics should be good enough to actually qualify your data or not for the purpose you have in mind. There are many metrics that you can use to qualify your data. Let me give you 5 of them, but you will find in the literature way more of these metrics. The first one is the data errors. Another important metric is the number of empty values that you can find in the data. You also have the data transformation error rate, especially if you are going through ETL processes or some other transformation processes. There's also the amount of dark data that you have in the system, which is essentially the amount of data that you know that contains errors, and you want to calculate what is the percentage of that data in your system. And finally, what is your data time to value? Other metrics that are also being used is the accuracy of the data that you have, or simply the cost of storage of the data. With these metrics in hand, you can go to the next step, which is to qualify the quality of that data in an independent manner.